Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Kindle account for security or to confirm your device registration, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Go to Amazon.com and log in to your Amazon account using the email and password associated with your Kindle. Step 2. Click on Account and Lists in the top right corner, then select Content and Devices from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Devices tab to see all Kindle devices and apps registered to your account. Step 4. Verify that your Kindle device appears in the list. Click on the device name to see registration details and confirmation. Step 5. If you need to verify account ownership for customer service, check the Your Account section for your account creation date and registered email address. Step 6. Enable two-step verification for added security. Go to Login and Security in your Amazon account settings and follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication. Step 7. Add a phone number and backup email address to your Amazon account to help verify your identity if you ever lose access. Step 8. If Amazon requests verification, check your email for a verification code or link. Click the link or enter the code as instructed. Step 9. For device verification issues, deregister and re-register your Kindle by going to Settings on your Kindle device, selecting My Account, and following the registration process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.